So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So here we've got my three favorite watches. So starting with the right, we've got here the Apple Watch SE with the actual GMT master function. Then on the center, we've got here the Rolex GMT Master 2. It's amazing to see. It works just an automatic watch, a typical Rolex, the Batgirl or Batman, however you want to call it. I think it's amazing with the Jubilee strap, and I do really like it. And also you've got here the Casio G-Shock, the GA2000. I personally think that each one is adapted to its function. If you want to actually be at work and do a workout whatsoever, here you've got the actual Apple Watch. If you want to dress classy and you want to use it with a smoking or so on, you've got the GMT Master 2, or just in a day out, you can really work with anything, the Rolex GMT Master 2. And here you've got the actual Casio G-Shock, which I also think it's amazing and I really enjoy it. So the three are the perfect combination. I really like it, and every time I go out, I actually wear the three of them. Okay, so if you've got any questions, just leave it in the comments down here below me, or anyone from the Learning MG team wants as early as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the YouTube algorithm.